First of all, let me start by thanking the leader of the SYMFONI movement and his team for a wonderful job they are doing, not just in the local government, but the entire River State. Let me also use this medium to plead with His Excellency. These traditional rulers, I want to mention, leader, please convey this message to him. The Nyeweli from Ebreko was wrongly removed. His recognition was withdrew, and he's here today supporting His Excellency 100%. The paramount law of Akpor Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Eze Johnson Ezio, was wrongly removed. His recognition withdrew. Please, leader, tell His Excellency, please, we are pleading, let them restate this person. Let them restate them. Nobody people have their snacks today. Let them go and enjoy that their snacks. They will not lie. They will not lie. Having said that, I want to say we are here to bless what they are doing today. We are here to show support to our sons. We are here to tell them, go on, go ahead. Don't be afraid. The gods of the land are with you. Go and possess and conquer. One man that will not even know his name cannot become Lord in all their world. The day he was born, he was not born in government house. So he cannot detect for river people. Want to say what the speaker, the former speaker, the River Assembly is doing. Will he ask him to go and do that? He has been removed as the speaker. He's there illegally. We, the people of Obio-Akpor, particularly Ebo, I will lead delegation to his traditional ruler, Eze, to tell him to convey the message, to Honorable Martins Adewale. Any further move again will declare him as enemy of Obio-Akpor, enemy of Ebo Kingdom. We cannot continue to be afraid for nothing. We cannot. We will say, I will personally need traditional rulers of Obio-Akpor to go and send that message to the Edo Tata, to tell Martins Adewale, any further creating laws, illegal laws, the people, the traditional rulers will not cry against him. Will declare him enemy of the local government. Yes. That is why we are here. Leader, go ahead, we are with you. Tell the governor we are with him.
Well, at the end of our meeting of the Obio-Akpor leadership for SYM, will hereby pass a vote of confidence on His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Joseph Fubara, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, and that the people of Obio-Akpor local government will stand by you, call in, call son. We want to also thank the Governor for the appointment he has given to the sons and daughters of Obio-Akpor local government. We assure the Governor that he has 100% support from the good people of Obio-Akpor local government. And I want to state and call on the chairman of APC in Rivers State, Chief Tony Okocha, as the leadership of Obio-Akpor has gathered today. We hereby call on him to henceforth desist from abusing the governor of Rivers State, and will challenge Tony Okocha to tell us what he brought to Obio-Akpor when he was chief of staff for good 4 years under the administration of His Excellency Right Honorable Chibi Kerutimi Amechi. What we saw was abject poverty. Tony Okocha today is serving as a rep in NDDC. We also challenge him to tell us what he has done for the people of Obio-Akpor within his stay in office for some months now. the people of Obio-Akpor local government will not take it lightly with Chief Tony Okocha. Henceforth, we call on him to desist from abusing the governor of Rivers State. We also use this medium to assure Mr. President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, that he has the support of Obio-Akpor people, and that our leader, the governor of Rivers State, SYMFONI, will stand with him. And that Mr. President, anything you want to do in Rivers State, be rest assured that with our leader, the governor, you have the 100% support of Rivers people. Our attention has been drawn to the purported sitting of the former assembly members, led by Right Honorable Martins Chike Amewule, who has been sitting severally, trying to incite and cause confusion in Rivers State to distract the government of Sir Siminalayi Fubara. Obio people have said, one, we call on Honorable Martins Amewule to please henceforth stop, because he is no longer representing the people of Obio-Akpor, the constituency one. And we're not going to take it lightly with him again. And those laws, those laws in the assembly is null and void. That the people of Obio-Akpor local government are not in support of what they are doing. We want to also call on Mr. President, our father, the father of our nation, to please call the Minister of FCT, Chief Barrister Wike, to order to allow peace reign in our state so that development can drive. Each day in our state, we wake up with different news, different problems, trying to distract a man who God has given to us. Please, Mr. President, call your minister to order to allow peace to reign in our local government. Finally, the Obio people have decided that Governor Fubara will be governor for 8 years. Thank you and God bless you.
By the permission of our leader, the leader of the 75 movement of the local government, and the leadership, I want to welcome all of you to the ancient community of Woji. I want to say what we are doing here today has already been blessed by God Almighty and the ancestors. Because Woji is the first son of Igbo kingdom, and Igbo and Abba are brothers. All I hear. And so whatever we are going to do here today has already been blessed, and everybody who is a son of Igbo kingdom must abide to this directive that we are giving here today. We don't want people to see the people of Obio-Akpor or Ikwere ethnic nationality as bad people. We don't want them to see us as envious and greedy people. And that is why we are calling this meeting today. People cannot just voice us, put something on top of us when we didn't agree with them. We are very happy, and we supported from beginning to the end the emergence of His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Joseph Fubara as Governor of Rivers State. We did everything possible to show that we accepted him. We have done our own part. The Rivers people have allowed us to rule Rivers State. And this is the term of Sir Siminalayi Fubara. And we are giving him support. We are not against him, and we will never be against him. Unfortunately, some few individuals want to play God. They want to behave as if they are in charge of us. But who gave them their mandate? And so they cannot dictate to us. We are the ones to tell them what to do. We are not happy with our brother, the former Speaker of Rivers State Assembly, Martin Amewule. whatever he's doing there, we know that the law will catch up with him. And everything he's doing there will be nullified. We didn't ask him to go there to challenge the governor. Look at the kind of laws he's doing now. These laws all these laws were enjoyed by the former governor of Rivers State, who is our brother, yes, Wike. He's now doing laws that will tie the hands of the governor of Rivers State, El-rufai. Did we tell him to do that? No! That is what the people of Obio-Akpor are saying today. They want it to be loud and clear. That we didn't send him to do that. He's supposed to be consulting with us before he says anything. But is he doing it? No! He's not doing it. The two of them who are members of the House of Assembly are disrespecting the people of Obio-Akpor local government. And we are saying that at the appropriate time we will recall all of them. That is the position of the people of Obio-Akpor local government. You can't be disrespecting the people of Obio-Akpor local government. You will not consult us. There is no town hall meeting like this. Look at elders, look at chiefs, prominent sons and daughters of this local government. You think you will not consult us and you will take decision on your own just to please one person? That is why we are calling this stakeholders meeting today, to tell the world that we are not in support of this evil that they are doing, and at the appropriate time we will recall all these people. We are saying that the governor of Rivers State, stay strong in that office. We are supporting you. And so whatever good things that you will bring to the people of Obio-Akpor, all our communities, please do well to bring them to us. Our community needs all the good things. Some need transformer, some need good road, some need other better things. Please don't, because of this bad character of other people, deny us those opportunities. And we know our governor will not do that. The whole of Obio-Akpor are strongly behind you. His Excellency SYMFONI, and we want to say it loud and clear today. And again, to Mr. President, we want to tell you that whatever you want Rivers State to do for you, pass through the governor of Rivers State, the number one citizen of this state, SYMFONI. He will tell us and will do it for you. Don't allow anybody to take our credit. We are the ones that voted for you. Not these people. We are the grassroots mobilizers. You can see what is happening here today. The chair we hired here is 1,000, and no one, even people are standing. So we are more than 1,000 here, both in and out. So these are the grassroots people, the mobilizers, the voters, the real people who gave you the mandate as president. Not one man gave you that mandate. We supported that power should move to the south. Not be so? No. After we don't rule finish and for 8 years. This was the town of the south people. Not be so? No. So we supported you. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. Give our governor the support that he needs. And whatever you want from Rivers State, you will get it.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.